Understanding soil pH modification, a key to thriving gardens. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English language learning accessible and enjoyable for all. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that combines science with gardening: soil pH modification. This concept is crucial for anyone looking to have a flourishing garden, or even for those curious about how plants interact with their environment. So, let's get started and uncover the secrets of soil pH and how it affects plant growth. Soil pH is a measure that tells us how acidic or alkaline the soil is on a scale from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is considered neutral. If the pH is below 7, the soil is acidic, and if it's above 7, the soil is alkaline. This might seem like a small detail, but it has a big impact on the health of the plants we want to grow. Different plants require different pH levels to absorb nutrients effectively. For instance, blueberries thrive in more acidic soil, while cabbages prefer alkaline conditions. Now, you might wonder, why bother modifying soil pH? The answer lies in the availability of nutrients. Depending on its pH level, soil can either lock up or release specific nutrients that plants need to grow. If the pH level is not suitable for a plant, it won't be able to take up enough nutrients, leading to poor growth, yellowing leaves, and even death. By modifying the soil pH, we can create the perfect environment for our plants to thrive. Modifying soil pH is a process that requires patience and precision. Here's how it's generally done. To lower pH, make the soil more acidic, gardeners often use sulfur or aluminum sulfate. These substances can take some time to work, so it's important to apply them well before planting. To raise pH, make the soil more alkaline. Lime is commonly used. It comes in various forms, including ground limestone, calcitic lime, or dolomitic lime, which also adds magnesium to the soil. The amount and type of material needed will depend on the soil's current pH and the desired pH level. It's crucial to test the soil pH before making any adjustments and to follow up with additional testing to ensure the modifications are effective. After modifying the soil pH, regular monitoring is essential. Soil pH can change over time due to factors like rainfall, fertilization, and plant growth. Testing the soil at least once a year helps in maintaining the desired pH level and, consequently, a healthy garden. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the importance of soil pH modification. Remember, understanding and adjusting the pH of your soil can make a huge difference in your gardening success. We hope this video has illuminated this fascinating topic for you. If you're looking to improve your garden or just curious about how the natural world works, soil pH is a great place to start. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.